Hello, Track Day Bro. This is my S4. My name is Rob, in case you don't know me. We'll say the interior is one of my favorite parts. It's a big switch from going from a 98 Mustang or G6 to anything German for that matter. I do need to get a different head unit. This seems quite dated, but overall I really like the interior. Shifter's pretty comfortable, it's fluent. The seats are probably my favorite part of the interior. The Recaro seats, pretty good bolsterings on the side. They say this is Alcantara, aka fancy version of suede, I guess. This is the center armrest. This is the only part I kind of really dislike about the interior. It's small, it's dinky, feels cheap, and doesn't really have good storage in the center. But you can fold it up, so if you're having track day, you are able to have plenty of room for shifting. E-brake. I like the little Quattro accent. Kind of a small glove box, but it is nice having these little storages up there. Basically the only cup holder in the house. Auto, parking, manual, and the only way you can turn on the fog lights that I know of is by setting it to manual and pulling this little stick out. Really like the gauges. I know they're also in a few Volkswagens as well. Tells you your systems are okay, temperature, and you're able to switch this bottom one between a couple different things, like hours, miles you can go to, your miles per gallon, and honestly 22 is crazy that I've even got that one time for this car. If you hit this check button, it goes through your system, pretty much just checks your sensors and your fluid levels, and tells you if anything's low. The only problem is at the very end, you'll see in a second, it checks your miles per hour if you're moving. So if you're speeding, it's going to beep at you until you stop speeding. Steering wheel's pretty comfortable. I actually really like the feeling of the steering in this car. Automatic windows. Pretty sure all four are automatic. It's nice being able to tuck in your mirrors. Small, but still one of those little things you like. Sunroof, if you just press this up, it moves up but not back. Pull back down, and then you can move it to the back, and it opens all the way up. Different shifters, my little slippers, because I didn't feel like putting shoes on. What? Trunk release. Setting your memories for the seat. This thing actually does pull out too. Can't get it right now because I'm sitting in it. The Bose system is okay. No highs, no lows. You must be Bose. I won't quit, and your dad don't like it when I talk my shit, 'cause I'm all about it, baby. I'm all about it, baby. I'm staying up late. Even though this does have 4 doors for more horse, the back seat's still pretty small. But it suffices, I suppose. You can lock all the doors by pressing that button. This comes down This is jammed right now, so I can't get the cup holders out. Oh, wow. Finally, it opens. Back cup holders. Little med kit, I suppose. And this, if you pop it open, that's a bag that pulls out in case you want to take your skis or something by putting them through the trunk. And up here. Back seats are Recaro badged as well. Same inserts and everything. These seats are pretty dirty. I do need to clean them. I do like the little accents that they have here and there. Trunk release. Don't mind these holes. I need to order a different European plate cover. I took my license plate holder off, so now I have holes there. Get fixed in about a week. I heard someone say that they didn't have much room in their engine bay at all, but this thing really takes the cake. If you're changing anything but the air filter, you have to take the front bumper off. It's pretty much the only way you can actually get to the engine. Battery's hidden up there. But I do like how clean the engine bay does look. I need to get some more parts in there though. This is just a cheap plastic up over the grill. It had chrome on it, which just looked bad between silver, black, just all the different colors. When you use the windshield washer fluid, this opens up and sprays your lights off. Tow hook. For now, I just have the stock Avis rims, hopefully till next spring. Don't know if you can see it in this light, but right under the Audi rings, there's a VW symbol. I know a lot of VW fans, Jetta, whatever, may have you take these rims and the brakes off. I have Hawk brakes on right now, but these brakes are good for swapping onto other cars as well. I like all the little chrome accents. A lock actually pulls out of here when you lock the car, so then someone's not going to siphon your gas. For now, I can't really remember what the size of the exhaust is, but it's pretty big. Tips are also very dirty. And this is my little drift track. Go Ken Block. The trunk is actually an okay size. Gotta always have a quick detail kit with you. 12 volt road hazard. And it comes with its own spare rim that's been plastic dipped, but it looks kind of crappy. But still, it comes with a full spare, which is nice because then you don't have to put a donut on. Adjust all your bogus down here. And I think that's about it. And traction control. Automatic doors, rear garage. that'll about do you.